Okay, look at this lovely Scania V8. Too good. Let's get inside. 1, 2, 3 steps up to the top. Nice armrest on the chair. And let's have a look at this. Oh yes, we've got a fridge. Lovely storage. Let's clean that up. And let's come through to the lovely dash. This is a top line, so it's got an extra high cab. Nice Scania V8 signs on the door. And let's come over to this amazing panel here. This truck has got the most that I've seen on all trucks. There you got your lights, your fog lights. You adjust your lights over there. That's your lights on and off. Your heated mirrors, your mirror adjustments, your windows, and your door locking. Right. Let's see if we can turn this baby on. There we go. Everything's on. Let's give it a start. Alright. There we are, all started. There we are in neutral. And our diesel is over there. And all the other. Haven't got much fuel, but just showing you guys. Alright. There's your gear selection. There's your exhaust brake and your retarder. On over there, there's your automatic and manual switch. And okay, so that goes down. And split low. So there's your splitter. Too good, eh? And your retarder. Excellent. Here's your screen controls over there and back, and that will change everything on your screen. Here's your cruise control settings over here, and your downhill retarder function. Okay, here's your hazards. There's your lights. There's your park brake over here. There's a USB. There's your diff locks over there. There's your rollback function over there. There's